Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you all very simple and quick gift wrapping like gift wrapper making for any festival or basically for any occasion. And for that we need a cardboard, A4 size sheet or an A3 size sheet basis the size of the gift that you're going to gift it, and then acrylic paints, brushes, and our common stationery stuff. And here I have also used few leaves because I wanted that as one of my, like the leaf print as one of my gift wrapper. So let's begin. Firstly, I started making figures out of the cardboard. So you can either take a color printout from Google, if not you can simply hand draw it on a cardboard, cut it out, because we don't have to decorate anything. We just need a cutout of any figure of which, like whichever festival or whichever design that you want to, because at the end we are just going to paint that cardboard for a stamp, like for an impression on the A4 size sheet, so that the gift wrapper is ready. Here, because I wanted to make it for the festivals, so I have drawn a moon which is for Eid, Ramzan. Then I have drawn Christmas tree for Christmas festival. Then I have drawn a diya for Diwali. And then I have just cut out a square, not square, yeah, like a kite type figure for Sankranti. Once the figures are cut and ready, we just have to paint it according to the design that we have in our mind, and then take an A4 size sheet and start stamping, like putting an impression, like pressing the figure on the A4 size sheet, the paper that we are going to use. Firstly, we will apply the paint and then start stamping it on the A4 size sheet, and that's it. The gift wrapper is ready.
देखो चांद आया, चांद नजर आया। देखो चांद आया, चांद नजर आया। Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over fields we go.
And here it's the same, be it for the cardboard or the leaf impression, leaf printing, leaf painting. It's the same technique. You just have to paint the cardboard or the leaf here and just place it on the A4 size sheet and press it hard, so that the paint is now on the A4 size sheet. And that's it, our gift wrappers are ready. You can use it for any occasion. This is very quick. You don't have to, like, sometimes if you don't have the gift wrapper, you can just quickly make this doesn't take more than half an hour. Or if you want to gift something someone customized based on the occasion, like birthdays, so you can simply draw a gift or a cake and then gift wrap, like wrap the gift accordingly. And also do watch the video till end, because I am going to show you different types of gift wrapping that I have made.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.